How to unhide like count on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you hidden the like count on Instagram posts and reels and now want to unhide it? Or you are not able to see the like count on other people's posts and reels? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to unhide it. Open Instagram on a device. You will land on its official home page. Tap on the circle with your profile picture. Select any of the posts or reels where you have hidden the like count. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top. Here you will see the option for unhide like count. Tap on it. As you can see, the like count is now visible. The only way to unhide likes on your Instagram post and reels is individually. As of now, you can't unhide the like count on all your Instagram post and reels at once. But if you are not able to see the like counts on every other people's post and reels, then follow these simple steps I am going to show you to resolve it. Tap on the circle with your profile picture. Tap on the hamburger menu. A menu will appear. Tap on settings and privacy. Under the What You See section, you will find a feature named Like and Share Counts. Tap on it. If you have toggled on this feature, toggle off the button for it. Return to the homepage of Instagram. Now you may be able to see the like count on other people's posts as well. Keep in mind that you will only be able to see the like counts on posts or reels where it has not been hidden by the users themselves. And boom, you have successfully learned the way to unhide the like count on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.